this video, I'll show you how you can fix Windows Update, something went wrong, try to reopen settings later. Now the first step is you want to head over to Troubleshoot, open up the Troubleshoot settings, go to Additional Troubleshooters, find the Windows Update and try and run the troubleshooter. Now a lot of the time this can already fix your issue, so just do that and see if it works. If it's still not working after this, you can search for services. In here, you want to scroll down until you find Windows. Find Windows Update, not the long one, just Windows Update. Double click, stop, and then apply and OK. Once you've done that, press anywhere and press U. Find Update Orchestrator service and do the exact same. Now once this is done, you want to come here and you want to search for this PC or search for File Explorer, just whichever one. And then go to the PC, find your C drive and Windows, find the software distribution, delete this folder, right click your recycle bin and empty it after you delete this one. Now obviously I don't have the problem so I don't need to do this, but you want to delete it, empty recycle bin, and then come back in here, find the two that we just disabled, and then you want to enable them again after you deleted the software distribution and you cleared your folder. So just enable them again. And once that is done, you want to restart your PC and now it should work. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.